Wait, what happened? I just woke up.
It's not like I'm gonna upload it. That's still funny footage. Maybe I should take it from that side.
You're a walking disaster. I tell you.
Shit. Morning, mate. It's cracking.
When did you wake up?
Well, a while ago.
A while ago. Damn!
Oh, crazy, yeah. I remember when I woke up, I was like, wow. Your window? That shit is crazy, eh?
Yeah,
Have you looked out the how many windows?
yeah.
I was like, holy shit. Turned up as a North Pole or something.
But to be honest, I just couldn't sleep.
It's hard. No, I woke up once again around 3 o'clock. It's because the California time. I'm gonna go back to drugs today.
What kind of drug?
Just melatonin.
Yeah, hook me up, bro.
It's good in my vibe.
It's good in my vibe too. I miss you too, Mason. See, look, it's raining on us. How's it? It's good, it's good. Where's good?
Good. Should I complain? Snapchat walking through this shit. This is an experience, I tell you.
But it can.
Hi, can I get Jordan? What do you... Hard up.
Well, that was one. Oh, that's a massive puddle, bro.
Huh?
It's a massive puddle. Yep. I thought you went in. I was just like, oh, this guy coming up.